Let me show you how to set up your Guardian keypad to your Guardian Jackshaft 928 motor. The first thing you want to do is press the learn button on your motor, and it'll give you the okay to go down to your keypad. You about have 30 seconds to put in your code. So right now we're going to put in the code. And it beeps twice letting you know it caught the code. Then you're going to try the code again. The door should close. Now let's put the code in again to run the door up. And that's how you set a Guardian keypad. If you're having trouble with your garage door or garage door operator, contact us today.